fine, but just in case.
Freedom. Hi. She got a new phone.
Yes.
My 4 years old. My problem is memory.
Yeah.
How many memory you have? One?
Oh, I don't know.
One teacher. Nice. I'm thinking I wanna get new one or
The only reason I got a new one is because I dropped it in the room.
maybe it's just time to get a new one. Sometimes over there just nice.
Yeah, we'll go up there.
There's the little friend. Freedom! Why they call it freedom?
I don't know.
In the memory. Wow. Nice view. Where are the neighbors? Wow. Cool. I heard people.
I think they're up here.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, look at. I don't know what mountain is that. I heard people on the other side. You can practice for Yosemite. The climber. Oh my god. Wow. I like this side. Oh. You need help?
Yeah.
Carefully. Very carefully. It's windy. Careful.
Stop the wave of the rock, but I'm scared.
You're stuck.
I'm stuck. It's a nice view.
It's been a pretty good year. There hasn't been as many flowers this year.
Oh, really?
Last year there were
Last
a lot.
year they had a
Wow.
lot of flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The poppies too.
The poppies.
Last year.
Oh.
It's been
Oh,
a good
it's a
year
dog
for
friendly.
Brittle bush. Brittle bush.
Oh. Look at the view. Nature trail. Let's have a peek. We're going back. Nice view. And it's a plane. We're done. Thank you, Joy, for inviting me. We're
Exploring the
heading
mountain.
to REI Shopping Mall.